Okay, good day everyone. It's Total Investor here, everyone's favorite YouTube investment channel. It is currently in the evening on Sunday, and for those who are aware as to what's going on, there does seem to be a significant correction in the cryptocurrencies. Now, I'm not going to review all 7,000 tokens or coins. I just want to go over the big two, that being Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to start off with Ethereum. Okay, this is going back 6 months, so it's an intermediate term chart. Again, I have the 10-day and the 50-day moving averages sloping upwards. It was a very easy, simple buy recommendation here, just going along when those two cross, and in this case, Ethereum was above that. It was actually a buy well before that. Our first, and it's been a buy ever since then. They have not crossed back. However, if we look just recently, this looks like just a few days ago, just this past week, it topped out at around, I believe that the price was around 4,400. The RSI topped out, started coming back down. It has not crossed the 50 yet, and I don't know if it will tomorrow, the day after, but it's coming down in that direction. The price has come off a bottom here. It just found a little bit of support at around 3,300. Okay, but the one thing that I really have noticed is the ADX line that did correct. It was above the 40. It broke and came back down over the past couple of days, and I believe it actually topped out as either on this day, the day of the top, or the day after. This is a big warning sign. Okay, it just means that the trend is going to end. Okay, so we had a huge move upwards. The ADX line was moving up, and it broke. So it's no longer going up. So that does not necessarily mean that it's going to crash, because it could move sideways from here, although it doesn't look like it's doing that right now. But it does mean that you shouldn't be buying anymore, at least not now. Okay. Now, it has, if we look at the DIs, yeah, it's still in buy territory. However, they are converging and getting pretty close to a sell signal. Okay, now what I would do is, just keep this 3,300 as the support level. It has bounced off from that. How strong that is, how long that will last for, I don't know, but that seems to be the key number here. And if it breaks that, well, we could be seeing the RSI triggering a sell, the DIs triggering a sell, and then we're back down to around 2,500. Hopefully that doesn't happen, but keep a close eye on the 3,300 level and the indicators. Okay, so that's it for Ethereum. I'm gonna look for, what do we got here? I'm sorry. Okay, this is a Bitcoin, and it's a 1-year chart. Again, same buy way back here when the both moving averages have crossed, gave some very good buy signals, all the way down from 10,000 all the way up to over 60,000. However, I did mention in a previous video that I made that there was warning signs way back here, because as Bitcoin was making higher highs and higher lows, look at what was happening with the RSI. It was not. They were still making highs. However, the highs were lower than the previous ones. Okay, so that was a bearish divergence. It's a warning sign. Now we had the RSI breaking below 50, okay, here, and then again here again. The two moving averages have crossed. The 10-day is sloping downwards, and I believe the other one is also sloping downwards too now. Here we see the DIs have crossed. They crossed mid-April. Okay, and that's been a sell ever since. Now we find that there is strong support for the Bitcoin at, I believe it's 43,000. Yeah, 43,000, and it has bounced off from that just temporarily. Okay, let's look at a 6-month chart. You can probably see that a little bit better. Again, moving averages have crossed, sloping downwards. Bitcoin is below that. RSI below 50. The DIs have crossed into sell territory. So this is actually a sell. I mentioned this to you. I don't recall the day, but if you go back into the videos, into the channel, you'll see it. It's there. It is a warning. Actually, I believe it was this day on April 26th. I could be wrong on that, but you'd have to double check on the channel. By the way, subscribe and you will get the notice when I post these videos. Okay, just click on the George Washington icon. You will be notified. So again, the number that you're looking at is around 44,000. Keep that in mind. That should be, hopefully it'll give us a bounce for those who have not gotten out yet. But this is looking very negative for Bitcoin going out several weeks and several months. That has to change, and has to be a strong change, a significant change, and has to be soon for me to change my point of view here. And so far today, I don't see that happening. Okay, so that's my interpretation of the charts. If you have any questions regarding these two charts, any other charts on crypto, on stocks, or even on commodities, let me know. Post a comment down below. And please give it a thumbs up. That helps the algorithm, and hopefully we'll go somewhere with this particular channel. And with that, I will see you in the next video. Thank you.